That question today that I want to address: can we trust e-estate? Few people have asked me this question before they join e-estate, and what I usually tell them is capital yes, we can trust e-estate. Okay, now there is a reason for me saying we can trust e-estate. Okay, and it is simply because they have been consistent in processing withdrawals since I joined e-estate. Listen, I'm not just saying this to praise e-estate, right? Think of other platforms that you have joined that is not e-estate. If they don't process your withdrawal, what do you say about that platform? Would you say you trust them? No, you wouldn't use the word trust because they are not reliable. You don't trust them to process your withdrawal. Okay, but in e-estate, since I have joined this platform, they have never failed one single day to process my withdrawal. This is what I call trust. They have never failed to deposit my fractional real estate passive income that I get between 0.3% to 1% daily. They have never failed to drop that profit in my back office on my dashboard. They've never failed. So therefore, you can trust e-estate. The answer is yes. Can we trust e-estate? Yes, yes, and yes, and yes. Okay, so now let me quickly show you what I have been, using for my recording this week. My back office in e-estate, and as you can see, this was my first withdrawal. Okay, let me load more and load more. Okay, so there you go. So there you can see that they said 9.9 USDT will be credited to your account. I made a withdrawal of $10. They will take some charges, and look at the date that withdrawal was made. Okay, on the 23rd of August 2025, the money was paid into my Theta BEP20 wallet address. That is the reference number for the payment, and that is the blockchain that you can view in the blockchain. I think if you hover around, you see where it says view in blockchain. So you can confirm this transaction right in the blockchain. And if you know what a blockchain is, you will know that blockchain can be trusted to provide accurate information about your transaction. So yes, e-estate can be trusted. So you know. Okay. Now let me confirm with email this withdrawal that was made. So let me go back to my email address. This is my email and my inbox, of course. So now look at the date, 23rd of August 2025, right? And what does it say here? Your withdrawal from e-estate has been processed, and exactly what they said in the back office here, that your account will be credited with 9.9 USDT, which is what I got. Now let me go back one more time to the history of my withdrawal and then scroll. You can see all the withdrawals I've been making, right, since I joined. And then this is the latest one, 1,696, right? Look at the date, on the 13th of July, which is yesterday that I'm recording this video, right? And then this again is the link that you can use to check the blockchain, the trustworthiness of this transaction. You go to e-estate, because the title of this video is Can We Trust e-estate, right? So there you have that, right? And then let me go back again into my inbox. It's the email that has been sent to me by e-estate. You will notice again that it's on the 13th of July. And what did they say? Yeah, they said your withdrawal from e-estate has been processed. This is a confirmation that your withdrawal request has been successfully processed. Amount withdrawal, blah, blah, blah. Destination, blah, blah, blah. There you go. Guys, this is good. It's fantastic. Withdrawals have never failed in e-estate. So, can you now trust e-estate? The answer is yes. We can trust e-estate. So that's me. I just want to prove to you guys that you can trust e-estate. From the very first day I joined e-estate till now that I'm recording this video, e-estate is still providing excellent services to its members. They are still delivering. They are not going back on their promises. Every single time they promise they're going to do something, they do it. Okay, they have done 1 year anniversary. They have done other summits that I have visited in the United States, and I have met the people that are actually running e-estate, like the partners of e-estate. For example, Mr. Mike Hamilton, which is Eli Property, is one of the partners of e-estate, and himself, Mike Hamilton, is one of the co-founders of e-estate. I have met these people, right? So there you go. If this platform is something you are looking to join, but you just wanted somebody to answer this question for you, now you have the answer. Okay. And then this will probably, allow you to make up your mind and then pick up the link below this video description, join, complete your KYC, and then purchase your property and begin to earn between 0.3% to 1% on a daily basis. And you will be able to withdraw just like what I showed you in the back office right now. You will be able to withdraw daily. Okay. We only earn Mondays to Fridays, 5 days a week. Okay. So we business working days. Okay. Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays. That's when we earn in e-estate. Saturdays and Sundays, we take a break from earning and then we resume back again on Monday. Okay. But all in all, you are going to be earning between 0.3 to 1% depending on the property that you have purchased, and also depending on the amount of money you have used to purchase your property. So guys, let's dive right in. Let's get this started, guys, because if you are looking for 100% passive income, this platform is where you need to be. Thank you and God bless.